Welcome to the world of CAD Center training, AutoCAD Civil 3D. Our programs on AutoCAD Civil 3D introduce important design tools and tasks, including modeling land surfaces, roads, analyzing survey data, and building assemblies, in addition to calculating material quantities and generating reports. The course covers the key features of AutoCAD Civil 3D, such as land survey, geospatial planning, roads and highway design, earthwork calculation, grading, pipe networks layout, transportation, geometric design. We offer AutoCAD Civil 3D in certificate, diploma, professional and master diploma courses. Enroll and become an expert in structural engineering design and documentation. Visit www.cadcenter.com for more details.